Here we are. I think we're back up and running. Now, if you look at my flippers, you're going to see they look a little different, and that's just because I lost the whole entire coding program, so I had to go through and recode the entire thing. Yuck. So, here we are. Um, and now we're going to go ahead and start to move this in the direction that we want. So, one of the things we want to do is we want to create um, the decoration. So if it hits a side, it's going to declare a winner. So what I want to do is I'm going to paint a um, just a real thin line, and I'm just going to make these. Let's go like that. I'm actually going to make it a little taller. I want to make sure that it fits the whole spectrum, which it does. And I'm going to fill this two different colors. I want to make this. So we're going to do that, and we're going to duplicate that just so it looks the same on both sides. And then I'm going to call this player 1 goal. And this is player 2 goal. Alright, so now in our code, what we want to do here. So player 1 goal, if the potato hits player 1 goal, we want to declare player 2 the winner. So what we want to do is go over here. If, let's get this up here. There we go. If touching potato, we are going to broadcast. Player to winner. There we go. And then we're going to stop. So we have that. And then we're going to create a sprite. We're going to go here to text. Player 2 winner, winner, chicken dinner. Player 2 winner, winner, chicken dinner. So we're going to call this player 2 win. We're going to duplicate this. And we're going to call this player 1 win. And we're going to call this player 1 winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. So now and then we're going to go over here to our code now. When I receive player 2 winner. When I receive player 1 winner. And then we want on both of these that when this is clicked, we actually want to hide. Because we don't want those to be seen in the beginning. So I'm going to do that, and we're going to... There we go. So player 1 goal, we're going to broadcast player 2 winner. And then player 2 goal, we're going to do the opposite. Player 1 winner. Okay, so let's see how this works here. Oh, we got a glitch with our stop ball. Let's get that out of here for now. We don't need to mess with that. Alright, so press the button to begin. We're going to go. I'm going to let this go through and see if it shows. It should show player 1 winner. And this needs to be in a forever. We forgot the forever. And then this needs to be in a forever. Let's see here. Player 2, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Then that should probably show player 1, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. So then we want to stop the potato, right? So it hits the goal. It's going to broadcast winner, winner, chicken dinner. And so then we want to put down here. Oh, there we go. So if our potato if it is touching, there we go. Now we're in business, guys. Sorry, I had a little bit of a brain fart there with the new scratch. If touching player 1 goal or touching player 2 goal, motion, we are going to go to 0, 0, and move 0 steps. Okay, here we go. So it doesn't hit the score, it should stop. Oh, nope. That's when we need the stop ball right there. And then we stop all. Spacebar, let's see what it does. Boom.